Here are the top 5 protein foods for muscle growth. Please save this video on your phone in case you can't find it. 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of protein rich in amino acids as well as good cholesterol, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Grains. Grains provide complex carbohydrates that consistently release energy and help maintain strength and endurance during training, while providing dietary fiber and important vitamins. 3. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are extremely positive for muscle growth and recovery. In addition, it is a good source of high-quality protein and other important nutrients. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, and have a low glycemic index to provide needed energy while keeping you full. 5. Chicken. Chicken is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth. It is low in fat and full of valuable nutrients. Follow me. Learn more health knowledge. If you drink a glass of hot water every morning on an empty stomach, what happens to your body? You must not know that last one. First of all, you will burn more bad fat, and drinking hot water can increase your metabolism, thus promoting fat burning. Second, your organs will begin to detoxify. Hot water stimulates the lymphatic system and helps rid the body of toxins. It can also improve constipation, and the hot water helps to soften stools, promote bowel movement, and relieve constipation problems. Your headaches will go away, and drinking hot water can relieve headaches caused by dehydration or muscle tension. Hot water also improves blood circulation, relaxes muscles, and reduces nasal congestion and sore throats. Hot water steam can relieve nasal congestion and reduce throat irritation, especially if you have a cold or throat inflammation. It also has anti-aging effects, with hot water helping to remove skin toxins and promote a more youthful, glowing complexion, as well as improving skin elasticity and reducing blemishes. Please bookmark this video and send it to anyone who doesn't like hot water. Subscribe and like for more health tips.